Hi, Footsteps to Brilliance families. Welcome to another video in our Footsteps to Brilliance Parent University series. Have you ever wondered what books and games your child should be playing on the Footsteps to Brilliance app? We'll wonder no more because today we're going to cover how our motivational game boards help your child learn on the app in 4 easy steps. First, our bilingual game boards in English and Spanish are organized by grade, but you should choose the game board that will be at your child's challenge level. This may mean using the grade level above or below. Remember, the level of the game board doesn't matter so much as making sure that your child is spending time each day reading and writing in Footsteps to Brilliance. Every activity will help them grow and become strong readers and writers. Second, it's important to find a time each day that works for you and your child to learn on the app. Picking the same time each day will help your child get into a routine, much like brushing their teeth or practicing the piano. Working in short 15 to 20-minute sessions will strengthen your child's literacy skills. Just like a strong, beautiful house is built by laying one brick at a time, each day spent learning on the app is building your child into a strong reader and writer. Third, the activities listed on the game board are played on the Footsteps to Brilliance app. So you'll want to download the app to your smartphone or tablet and then download the books and games in the app. Let's quickly review the steps for getting your app set up. You can access the app by going to the web at www.myf2b.com, or you can download the app from any of these app stores. Next, log in with your parent username and password. If you don't remember this, you can simply click Forgot My Password, and this will allow you to reset it. Now that you're logged in with your parent account, click the box to automatically log your family in. Then select your name, and you'll enter the app where you can download and delete books and games. Click the green arrow to download the books and games listed on your game board. You may also wish to delete the books or games that your child has already completed by clicking the Delete Off button and then clicking the red X next to the book or game you wish to delete. Now click on the red Change User button to select the child's name that will be playing. That's it. Now your app is ready for learning. Now more than ever, you as the parent are becoming the co-teacher with your children's classroom teacher. As you work with your child, provide positive reinforcement as they learn. If your child makes a mistake or doesn't get it right, don't worry. Making mistakes is an important part of learning. When your child gets stuck, try using statements like, "That was a good try, let's try again," or "I know you can figure this out and I'm here to help." This reassures them when difficulties arise. Guide your child to the right answer versus telling them the answer, as they'll learn more discovering it on their own. And be sure to celebrate with your child with statements such as, "I knew you could do it," or "You worked so hard to figure that out." This will help to build your child's confidence in their abilities. So remember, make learning on the app a regular part of your routine. Have your child spend a few minutes each day completing activities on the game board, and they'll be on their way to becoming a Footsteps to Brilliance reading and writing champion. Do you have a question that I didn't answer in this video? If so, you can get your question answered from our bilingual help desk at help.myf2b.com or sending an email to support@footstepstobrilliance.com. Thank you for watching this video in our Parent University series. We are proud to be your partner in helping your child become a Footsteps to Brilliance reading and writing champion. See you next time.